Did you really ask if I was real? Well, I'm the real me. Are you the real you? I feel real. I exist just like love, imagination, and the spirit of childhood do. Oh, I've been around for a very long time, because people of all ages, just like you, have kept me in their hearts. And even though your views on me may change over the years, I hope you keep my spirit alive, because it doesn't matter how old you are, you're never too old for Santa.